Today I'm going to be making my carnivore ranch dressing. So the ranch dressing uses the base of my carnivore mayonnaise. And if you haven't seen the video on that, you might want to click up here so you can get that recipe and make the mayonnaise, because we're just going to mix some seasoning into this mayonnaise and it's going to make a fantastic ranch dressing. Hi, my name's Tom and this is my carnivore life. So let's get right into it. I'll show you the ingredients and how much you need. I'll put the ingredients in the description and the recipe so you know how to make this. It's fairly simple, a couple minutes as long as you have the mayonnaise base. And let me tell you what, it's awesome. Let's get rolling. So for this recipe, we're going to want a half a cup of our mayonnaise base. We're going to want black pepper, onion powder, salt, chives, dill weed, and garlic powder. And if you like your ranch dressing a little bit thinner, or you like buttermilk ranch, you can add either a little bit of milk or a little bit of buttermilk to this, and that'll thin it down to give you a more pourable type ranch dressing. I like mine in dippable format, so I don't add that to mine. So what we're going to need, like I said, is a half a cup of the mayonnaise. We're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, I can get all my measuring spoons in order here. One-half teaspoon of dried dill, one-half teaspoon of dried chives, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, got all that in there. Now I prefer to use a stick blender, but you can use whatever you like. Stick blender does a wonderful job of incorporating everything in there, and it's really quick. So we're going to go ahead and incorporate that. That's all there is to it. Now I like an occasional celery stick or cucumber. I mean, if you don't like those, that's fine. You can dip your wings in this or whatever it is you want to put in it. But I'm here to tell you, that is some awesome ranch dressing. That is really good. Pretty close to Hidden Valley Ranch, especially if you add some buttermilk to it. And if you want to pour it on something, that's awesome with the buttermilk in it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you get to try this out. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below. Give me a like and subscribe. And keep me motivated to do some more videos. And I hope you have a great day.